guys, if you want to see how I dye my hair from this color to black, please stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to you to show you how I dye my hair black. Well, it's kind of like a natural black. So in the past I had my hair colored. I had like a red color, and I took that red color out a few months ago. I don't know how many months ago, but it was a few months ago, and I had dyed my hair black. But after washing my hair several times, some of the redness was coming back out. So I kind of want to dye my hair, because if you look, like the roots of my hair is black and the bottom of my hair is like a brownish color. So I kind of want to get all my hair one color, so we can try to get my hair healthy, back healthy again. So yeah, so you guys, I'm pretty much just going to show you how I dye my hair black. So right now, you guys, my hair is pretty nappy. It's pretty poofy because I haven't pretty much combed it in a few days that we're at home and we're quarantined, and I just been chilling. So I haven't combed my hair in a few days, and I've been working out. So me working out, it kind of just made my hair poofy. So yeah, we're about to dye my hair today, and also today is my wash day, so that's why I decided to dye my hair so I can do it all at once. But anyway, you guys, because I'm going to keep going on and rambling. So to dye my hair today, I am going to be using the Clairol Dye It, and it is in a 1B natural color. So yeah, so we're going to be dyeing our hair with this, and this is a permanent dye. Yeah, this is a permanent dye. So yeah, you guys, let's get started. Okay, y'all, so here are the 3 things that comes in this packet. I have used this several times, so I really don't need to read any type of instructions. I already know how to mix it. Basically, you're mixing number 2 and number 1 together to make the dye. So I'm gonna get ready to mix that. And all you do after mixing this is pretty much just shake it well. Maybe shake it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and it'll be good to go. Guys, so now that I'm done mixing that, I am going to take a comb and I'm going to part my hair down the middle, because I like to work in sections, and all I'm going to do is work in 2 sections. Part my hair down the middle, dye one side, then dye the other. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to put some gloves on to protect my hands. They do have gloves that come in a packet, but I prefer to use my own gloves because they fit my hands a little better and I don't have to worry about them coming off. So I'm going to apply my gloves, and at the same time, you guys, I am going to wrap a towel around my neck because it might get a little messy. So yeah. Okay guys, so let's get started. We're going to do one side first, then the other. Okay, first thing first, you guys, you need to twist off this little top here so that the solution, the dye, can come out of the squeeze bottle, which is coming out now. Okay, so first things first, you guys, I am going to start with dyeing the ends of my hair first. That is the part that I need dyed the most. So I am going to start applying the bleach towards the end of my hair first. And you guys, all I do is I just pretty much just pour this on my hair. I don't have no type of technique or anything. I just pour it on there and then massage it into the hair. Okay guys, so when I'm dyeing my hair, I try not to dye my hair too close to my scalp and also my hairline, because if you get the dye on your scalp or either your hairline or your forehead, it's going to be hard to get that permanent dye off there. So I suggest that you try to stay far away from your scalp and also your forehead slash hairline. Hey guys, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely be notified. Hey guys, if you like this video so far, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, so right now I'm finishing up with dyeing my hair. I'm just pretty much going back in and massaging the dye through my hair to make sure that I got every strand of my hair. And once I'm done that, I'm pretty much just going to put my plastic cap on my head and let it sit for about 30 minutes because my hair is natural. But if your hair is not natural, you let it sit on for about 20 minutes, I believe the direction said. Okay guys, I'm back. I washed my hair. I washed the dye out of my hair. As I stated in the beginning, today was my wash day. So I have washed my hair and I deconditioned it. So let's see how this black dye looks now that I dyed it. So I'm loving it. As you can see, it completely dyed the hair. So now we're going to get ready to blow dry it. Okay guys, so to blow dry my hair, I part my hair in 4 sections, and I use the E-Tape Butter Shine for my heat protection. And I pretty much just use a little bit of that and put it on my hair, and then I blow dry my hair. Okay guys, so right now I am finishing up with blow drying my hair, and after I'm done blow drying my hair, I am going to braid my hair off of camera because I am going to put on a wig, which is one of my go-to protecting styles. You guys, I'm so glad that I dyed my hair because my hair was looking a little dusty, and the black actually make my hair look pretty healthy. So yeah, you guys, so here is the finished look of me dyeing my hair black. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. And definitely hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so every time I come to a new video, you guys would definitely know about it. Peace.